This was again a difficult day, but ended up $480 across all the evaluation accounts that I share with you guys here on stream. So in the London session, well, it started out a little bit interesting because of course, after yesterday's FOMC, everything just started to go up like crazy at the beginning of the London session. No sign of selling pressure. But at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, it started to drop. So I entered the trade here on this fair value gap and then started to drop. But I got a little cold feet or something. My exact entry was right here. With the stop loss here, and look at this. I'm going to zoom it out. It actually got back up there and took me out at break even, because what I did, I put the trade to break even after it started to go down, and it went back up there and took me out at break even. And the problem with that is that later on, as you can see, I was a little bit frustrated about the FOMO, because it would have reached perfectly my original target. But still, the price action for the sell side was absolutely okay. So it is what it is. After that, continued to move higher. Actually, after the New York Open, it made a new high, new historical high there. And I started to short at this market structure shift. And it was actually quite all right after the market open. So what I did before that is I scalped with one of the Bulenox accounts, and that's why I made a little bit more profit than usually, and scalped for $300 on one, actually $375 on one of the Bulenox accounts. So that was actually quite all right. And after that, I made a very small position shorting here, but I closed it again too early. Maybe I shouldn't have, because as you can see, it would have taken my original take profit. I realized that nowadays I'm having issues with holding the trades, the winners that is. So I'm holding on to my losers, and I'm not holding on to the possible and potentially high probability winners. So I have to change something about that, because that's just not the way to go. But anyway, here is the accounts. This is the Bulenox account. It's up $375. And let me show you the other Bulenox account, which is up $54. Yeah, $54. And the My Funded Futures account is up $51. So overall, that makes it $480 in profit. So I'm absolutely satisfied with the results, but I think I could have done better. So I tried to scalp here, took me out break even. Anyway, long story short, I should have just hold on to this trade. So this was my entry. All I should have done is just hold on to it. Look at this. Could have been a beautiful trade. But I was impatient, even if not there, but here it could have taken me out with a risk reward of 2. So gotta practice patient, because patience is the key. So now I'm still copy trading, of course, with 3 evaluation accounts here on the streams. 2 of these accounts are close to being funded. Hopefully it's gonna be okay in the next couple of days, maybe in about 2 weeks, hopefully, because I'm trading slow size from now on. So I'm very optimistic, and hopefully it will be okay. I'm trying to attach more accounts, and the Bulenox sale is only going on until the end of the month. So grab your 50k accounts. Only for the first month is the 90% discount, and the My Funded Futures is still a very good deal. Well, I'm super tired, but it was a good day. We made profit, but the lesson learned, have to hold on to the winners, because that's where the money is. All right, patience is key. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you guys on the live streams.